Now we will see the other types of matrices. In that, first we will see what is the conjugate of a matrix. The definition of conjugate of a matrix is the matrix obtained from any given matrix A on replacing its elements by the corresponding conjugate complex numbers is called the conjugate of a matrix, and it is denoted by A bar, or we can say A conjugate also. Now suppose A is this matrix in which first row is I minus 3 minus 2i, second row is minus 7 minus 7i, 3 plus 2i. Now if we want its conjugate, then A conjugate will be minus I, because first element is here I, here it should be minus I, because we are replacing the elements by its complex conjugate. The number A plus IB is suppose a number in the matrix A, then its complex conjugate will be A minus IB. Therefore, complex conjugate of minus 3 minus 2i is minus 3 plus 2i. Conjugate of minus 7 minus 7i is minus 7 plus 7i, and conjugate of 3 plus 2i is 3 minus 2i. Therefore, if A is this matrix, then your conjugate will be A bar, or A conjugate is equal to this matrix. Now we will see the definition of transposed conjugate of a matrix. The transpose of the conjugate of a matrix A is called transposed conjugate of a matrix A, and it is denoted by A raised to theta. Means if A is the given matrix, then first we will take the conjugate of every element of the matrix, and then we will replace rows into columns, and then we will get A raised to theta. Now these are the properties of transposed conjugate of a matrix, that is A raised to theta bracket raised to theta will be A plus B bracket raised to theta will be A raised to theta plus B raised to theta. K into A raised to theta is equal to K into A raised to theta. AB bracket raised to theta will be B raised to theta into A raised to theta. Now we will see the definition of Hermitian matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be Hermitian matrix if Aij is equal to Aj bar for all I and j. It means that ijth element of A is equal to conjugate complex of jith element. Now we will see one example of Hermitian matrix. Now this is the number 4 minus I, which is in the first row and second column, that is A12 element. If A12 is 4 minus I, then A21 will be its conjugate, and therefore that is 4 plus I. Now this number is A13, which is 3 plus 2I, then A31 will be its conjugate, 3 minus 2I. The diagonal elements of Hermitian matrix are always real number. Then and then only they can satisfy the condition given in the definition. Hermitian matrix is same as its conjugate transpose. Now we will see the definition of skew Hermitian matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be skew Hermitian if Aij is equal to minus Aj bar for all I and j. It means that ijth element of A is equal to negative of conjugate complex of jth element of A. Now we will see one example which is satisfying the condition Aij is equal to minus Aji bar. Now this is the example which I have written, example of skew Hermitian matrix. Now first we will consider this element which is in the first row second column, means A12. Now A12 is 4 plus 3i. What is its conjugate number? 4 minus 3i, and again its minus means minus 4 plus 3i. Similarly, now consider this number which is in the second row and third column, means A 2 3 element is 6 plus 5i. Then first we have to take its conjugate. Its conjugate will be 6 minus 5i, and again its minus we have to take, and therefore minus 6 plus 5i, which is A 2 3 element. The diagonal elements are always purely imaginary number or 0 in skew Hermitian matrix. Then and then only they will satisfy the condition which is given in the definition. If A is a square matrix containing complex elements, then A would be skew Hermitian if A is equal to minus A raised to theta. Thank you. The next part of the matrices we will see in the third lecture. Thank you.